चंडीगढ़ दी होएगी। इंडियन एयरफोर्स हैरीटेज सेंटर की गल होएगी जो देश विच अपनी किस्म का पहला एयरफोर्स म्यूजियम है। रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह 8 मई को इसका उद्घाटन करन जा रहे ने। यह सेंटर 5 विंटेज एयरक्राफ्ट प्रदर्शित करता है ते विजिटर्स नूं कॉकपिट एक्सपोजर ते फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर का अनुभव प्रदान करता है। यह IAF का पहला विरासती केंद्र है ते सारे युद्धां दे विच IAF की भूमिका नूं दर्शाउंदा है।
पहला इंडियन एयरफोर्स हेरिटेज सेंटर अपनी उड़ान भरने के लिए एकदम तैयार है। इस समय हम मौजूद हैं चंडीगढ़ सेक्टर 18 में, जहां पे भारत का पहला इंडियन एयरफोर्स हेरिटेज सेंटर शुरू होने जा रहा है। इस समय हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जो प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर है इसके, ग्रुप कैप्टन PS लांबा जी। सर, आपका जी मीडिया में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
ओके, थैंक यू।
सर, भारत का पहला इंडियन एयरफोर्स सेंटर शुरू होने जा रहा है चंडीगढ़ में। तैयारियां कैसी हैं, किस स्टेज पे पहुंचे हैं हम?
Okay, this is ready now, and we are planning the inauguration of this Indian Air Force Heritage Center on 8th of May, and it will be inaugurated by the Honorable Raksha Mantri in the presence of the Administrator of UT Chandigarh, and of course the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Chaudhary sir, will also be the part of this ceremony. He will be hosting this function.
सर, अगर बात करें इस एयरफोर्स सेंटर की, हेरिटेज सेंटर की, तो बहुत कुछ जो लोग हैं, आम लोग, उनको देखने को मिलेगा। एक कॉकपिट का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, स्टिमुलेटर्स का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। क्या कुछ जो है सेंटर में लोगों के लिए, आम लोगों के लिए, क्या कुछ आप इंडियन एयरफोर्स की क्या हेरिटेज दिखाने जा रहे हैं?
We have a theme based, the objective of this was to give a publicity so that the youngster of this region, they can get inspired and join Indian Air Force. So on the basis of that objective, we have catered here 5 aircraft. Like on the Churaha, we have put the night aircraft, which is basically flown by Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Shekhon. During the operation, through this, he have killed Pakistani 2 aircraft also, and then we have a MiG-21 which is there outside, and a MiG-21 cockpit will inspire the youngster, basically the student in the class of 11th, 12th, when they will come and they will sit in the cockpit of a MiG-21, they will come to know how we fired the rockets, bombs, missiles and all. So it will inspire them. We also have a then trainer aircraft. We also have a MiG-23 which was involved during our Kargil operations and all. So these are the basically aircraft which will give a real time is exposure to our youngsters. In addition to that, we also, you must have seen the simulators. The simulators, then the new generation, again the youngster, they can have exposure of a Su-30 aircraft, MiG-29, like they're sitting in that cockpit. It will be very interesting, it will be very exciting to them. I'm very sure with the exposure of sitting the fighters. We also have something called augmented reality. We have a virtual reality kiosks also. Through the virtual reality, it will shown you are getting airborne, like a movie called The Borders. You are getting airborne from Jaisalmer. You are doing an attack over Longowala. Immediately then you are in the fighter aircraft called the Hunter. You are landing back at Jaisalmer. So these are the things which is the part of the interest to the people. In addition to that, we also have a history which will reflect the role of Indian Air Force during the Kashmir campaign, that is 1947-48. When the Indian Air Force aircraft have landed over the Poonch area of the Leh sector in 1947-48, then the role of Indian Air Force during the time of 65 war, then 71 war, we have also have a 3-dimensional enclosure which is covering the Kargil, which is covering the Balakot, which is the area of interest for the public opinion, for the public also. I'm very sure it will attract the local population as well as the youth here.
सर, अगर बात करें इंडियन एयरफोर्स हेरिटेज सेंटर की, तो लोग जब यहाँ पे आएंगे उनको गाइड करने के लिए कौन लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद रहेंगे एंड उसका क्या प्रोसीजर होगा अगर लोगों को यहाँ पर पहुँचना है तो?
Okay, we have catered the mix of guides from the civil system as well as from the Indian Air Force. There will be around 8 guides which will be available. 4 people we have picked up from Indian Air Force. From 4 people will be from the UT administration Chandigarh. So we are thinking when the group of people will come, for example, we are getting a student of the school or from the colleges, the group of 20-30 people will be taken by our guide. They will be properly dressed, they have been trained, they have done the research work on our all the enclosures. There are around 40 odd enclosures here. They will be the one who will be conducting the entire group from from starting the entry point till the exit point. They will take care of all the like a history of the Air Force, the gallantry awardee of the Air Force, like showing the Kanpur aircraft, how the first aircraft were created in 1958. They will take them to audio, video, or campaigns also. After this, they will be conducted, the tourist will be conducted in a group of around 20-30 people by the trained guides of Indian Air Force.
तो सर अगर बात करें ये हेरिटेज सेंटर, ये आइडिया किसका था कि एक हेरिटेज सेंटर वो भी चंडीगढ़ में शुरू करना है, क्योंकि ये चीज़ बहुत बड़ी है, भारत का पहला इंडियन एयरफोर्स हेरिटेज सेंटर और वो भी चंडीगढ़ में. व्हाट वाज द थिंकिंग बिहाइंड द सेम?
Yes, last year it was considered by the duty administration. They were looking forward. They have a space here which is close to now 20,000 square feet here. They have given the proposal to Honorable Raksha Mantri. Raksha Mantri sir have approved the proposal. Then accordingly Indian forces always looking forward to attract the youth of the country, especially the youth of this region, Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand. So this area is we are looking forward to get the opportunity. So once proposal have gone from the duty administration, immediately after the approval of the Raksha Mantri, then Indian force have gone ahead for opening this first heritage center of Indian Air Force.
सर यूथ के लिए कोई मैसेज, जो चंडीगढ़ आपने अभी बात की हरियाणा पंजाब की, उनके लिए कोई मैसेज स्पेशल?
Yeah, this is a request to the, rather we appeal to the all youngster of this region that they must come, they must enjoy the simulator, they must have a feeling of fighter aircraft, they must see what is our history, what is the role of Indian Force. I'm very sure with this exposure they will get inspired. That is what our aim. They will get motivated to join Indian Air Force. That is what I'm looking forward. More and more youth should come and they should join armed force.
कैमरामैन गुरजन सिंह के साथ पवित्र कौर, जी मीडिया, चंडीगढ़.